You're listening to WNGRLP 95.5 FM Tigerville. You're listening to 95.5 The Vibe. This is Olivia Jones, and you can catch my show Live with Liv Wednesdays from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. right here on The Vibe. Welcome back, Crusaders. Unwind the spring with your favorite Christian tunes, right here on 95.5 The Vibe.
Daddy, will you play with me?
Shut up, kid. I'm watching the game.
Please, Daddy, you never play with me.
I told you to shut up.
Daddy, please stop. Please, I'm sorry, Daddy.
Almost 700,000 children are abused in the U.S. each year. About 1,770 of these children die from the abuse. If you know or suspect a child is being abused, contact your local DSS office immediately. Don't allow an innocent child to become one of these statistics.
Looking for a fun hangout spot for you and your friends? Come on down to The Rink at 605 Main Street in Belton. They're open Fridays and Saturdays from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. and it's only $7 per person. The Rink also has an arcade and a concession stand that sells snow cones, hot dogs, pizza, nachos, soft drinks, and dipping dots. They also offer an all-night skate package once a month for only $20. The Rink is even available for parties and other special events. Be sure to stop by the Rink in Belton for unlimited skating and fun.